Hey guys, welcome to Casual Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing a Bauer 20V half-inch cordless drill. My drill went out. I had like an 18-volt Ryobi and it went out after a couple of years. I went to Harbor Freight and I think this was like $63. I don't know if I overpaid, but I'm going to try it out right now, see how it works. I'm going to do an unboxing and just a basic test on the drill to see how I like it. Okay, before I do, let me give you guys a $5 gift card. And whoever gets this gift card, just comment below, say I got it. Okay, that's it. Let's get this unboxing started. So this drill, I'm just going to go over a few things before I pop it open. It has half-inch all-metal keyless chuck for quick and easy bit changes. All-metal gear construction improves life and durability. 2-speed selector matches speed and power to application. High-performance motor covers all drilling and fastening jobs. Compact, lightweight design minimizes user fatigue and powers all Bauer 20V lithium products. Oh, okay, so I guess the battery works with other Bauer products. That's pretty cool. And that's it. 1.5 amp hours. Charges in 60 minutes. And you get 50% more runtime per charge. I'm not sure how long this drill lasts. I'm just going to do a quick test once I unbox it, and that's it. Let's get this thing out. I'm excited because my drill was starting fires. The motor, every time I squeezed it, it was smoking. I was like, oh man. Okay, so here's the drill. I'm just gonna get everything out, then I'll show you guys piece by piece. Let's just get everything out. That's cool that it comes with a little cool carrying case. Okay, and that's it for that. What's this? Trash. This is the charger. Yep. User manual. And some drill bits. And I guess you can hang this on the wall, or I'm not sure what this is. I'll figure it out. Oh, okay. This hooks up to your battery, I think, or to your drill so you can hang it. Just like so. Or just like so. Okay, I'll do that later. So here's the drill. This is what it looks like. So it has two power settings, 1 and 2. I'm not sure which one's one's forward. There's also a button here, one forward, and if you press it on this side, it goes backwards. But if you have it in the center, then that's like a safety. You can't press the button. Let's try it forward, and let's try it on 1. Let's try it on 2. Oh yeah, 2 is much faster. So I think number 1 goes, let me see, where's the box? Number 1 goes 450 RPMs. And number 2 goes 1700 RPM, so much faster. Cool, and it has a little light here. In the front, when you use it. And on the back, it has a, when you press it, here it shows you the battery level. So this battery is pretty much full. I'll just do a test charge. What you do is you pop the battery out. There's a release mechanism right here. You press it down, and you pop it out, and then you pop this battery in, and yeah, it's charging. So this light is green, that means it's on, and it's blinking, that means it's charging. And that's it. So I'm just gonna wait for this to charge up all the way, and then I'm gonna do a test run. So I guess it takes an hour, but this shows that the battery is almost full, so I don't know how long it's gonna take. But for you, it's gonna take no time. Okay, so charged up all the way, and let me show you what that looks like. So basically, this part is red, and this part is still green. And that means it's charged fully. So let's take it out. And let's test it out. I just have some basic screws. I'm not sure if these are drywall or what, but I'm just gonna put them in here to secure the wood, and then I'm gonna start drilling. I want to see how it drills basically. And I'm not pre-drilling this. Hopefully these are short enough so I don't go through my table. Okay, let me do some drilling. And I bought a drill set as well. I got this at Lowe's, and this was like $19. I mean, for basic people like me, I don't, I'm not like a woodworker or anything professional craftsman. So for 19 bucks you get all this. I'm not sure how durable the drill bits are, but for $19 I think it's a good starter kit. 1/4 of an inch drill bit. And hopefully I don't go through my table. Yeah, I might. Okay, here it goes. Let's start in the center. I'm keeping the pressure low because I don't want to just go right straight through my table. I'm gonna put it on high speed, see how fast it goes. So. Wow, it's like knife through butter. Holy crap. I don't know if because the drill bits are really sharp or because they're brand new. This thing goes. And I'm not putting any pressure down. Watch this. I like it. Okay, I'm just gonna keep on going and see how many holes I can make. That's it. Drilled like 200 holes and it still has 1/3 battery left. I mean, this thing, look, check this out. Actually, more than that. Still has a bunch of battery left. I only used up 1/3, and this thing's hot. Okay, I'm gonna try some other drills on this, I guess. I wanna try this one. And hopefully I don't screw this up. I'm not sure how this works. I think it's this way. This thing's used for to drill doors when you need a door lock. I'm not even tightening it tight, just by hand, so hopefully I don't screw this up. Okay, let's try this. That's it. It won't go any further. The wood's too deep. But yeah, it's not bad. It almost cut all the way through. I do need to tighten this with a chuck because this thing fell apart. Oh shoot, that's hot. I just burnt my finger. Okay, let me try one more thing. I want to try this. I don't know what this thing's even called. That's how much of an expert I am. Okay, let's try this thing. Let's try it here. Oh, that's it. We're through. You're supposed to have your hands supported on it. I'm doing this on a table, so to those of you critiquing me, sorry. Okay, that's it. I said I was just gonna do a quick test, but I did a lot more than I wanted to. That's because I was having fun with this. I think this drill is actually really awesome. If you do have one yourself, let me know how you like yours. One thing on Amazon, I saw 2 reviews and they were both like 2 points, and I don't know why. I will leave a Amazon link below if you guys are interested in getting this. But I did find this at Harbor Freight for much cheaper, so that's it. Let me show you the drill one more time, and then I'll show you the box so you can see what the box looks like and all the details about it. So here's the drill. I mean, it's like 3.5 pounds, I think it weighs. So it weighs quite a bit, but it's not the heaviest drill I've ever had. Okay, let me show you the box. Let me move this out of the way. I should have worn my t-shirt that says sawdust is men glitter, because I'm wearing a lot of glitter. So here's the box. If you're interested in getting one. And that's it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. It's been fun. This was actually really fun. I like this. I should do more of this stuff. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.